circle around our sun.
The solar system is made up of two parts, the inner and outer solar systems.
Inner contains Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These four planets are closest to the Sun.
The outer solar system contains Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto.
Jupiter is a big and rocky planet. It is 775 million kilometers distant from the Sun.
It is the fifth planet close to the Sun. Jupiter has got 60 moons.
The most known are Europa, Ganymede and Callisto. They were discovered by Galileo.
The duration of one day is 9 hours and 55 minutes. The duration of a year is 1186 Earth years.
The maximum temperature in this planet is 300. The minimum is 170 minutes.